Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Trajectory Planner S-Curve Velocity Profile Calculator, a critical tool for motion control applications. This calculator solves a fundamental problem in automation and robotics: how to move from point A to point B smoothly while respecting your system's physical limitations. S-curve profiles eliminate the infinite jerk spikes that occur with traditional trapezoidal velocity profiles, reducing mechanical stress and improving positioning accuracy. Let's examine the four input parameters. First, distance in millimeters. This is your total travel distance. Second, maximum velocity in millimeters per second, the peak speed your system can achieve. Third, maximum acceleration in millimeters per second squared, how quickly your system can change velocity. Fourth, maximum jerk in millimeters per second cubed, the rate of change of acceleration, which directly impacts smoothness. Each parameter must be positive and within your hardware's capabilities. Here's a practical example from a pick-and-place application. I'll enter distance, 250 millimeters for a typical workplace span. Maximum velocity, 500 millimeters per second, a common servo motor rating. Maximum acceleration, 2000 millimeters per second squared, conservative for reliability. Maximum jerk, 10,000 millimeters per second cubed to ensure smooth motion. Clicking Calculate Motion Profile gives us the total move time, 0.85 seconds. This total move time represents the complete duration from standstill to standstill, including all 7 phases of the S-curve profile. It's the minimum time possible while respecting all your constraints. One critical insight: engineers often set jerk values too high, causing vibrations. Start conservative and increase gradually while monitoring system response. Find the link in the description below.